Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this device. First of all, select one of your apps like Play Store. Now click on this button with three lines and tap on the icon of your app. From this little menu over here, you need to click on Open in Split Screen View and then select the other app, like Calendar. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first tab upwards and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!